at-home cooking. Tonight we are making potato wedges for dinner. These are the things that you need. You need olive oil or vegetable oil, garlic salt or powder, whichever you prefer, Parmesan cheese, paprika, pepper, and potatoes that have been washed and scrubbed. You also need a cutting board, a knife, a gallon-sized baggie, some cooking spray, and a pan. Once you're done, you're going to want to take your pan and spray it. And then dump all your potato wedges on there. And spread them out, make sure that they don't overlap. So after I put these all on, one thing that I like to do is put a little extra paprika and a little extra Parmesan cheese on top. So we're just gonna sprinkle it over it. In the oven for half an hour, and once it's been a half hour, you need to check them. So you stick them with a fork and see if they are soft. So here's the final product. We got them all done. I'm excited to eat them now. Make sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you next time.